What if I told you that the world's first computer program was written by a Victorian woman in a silk dress, and whose father just happened to be Lord Byron, the wild rock star poet of his time? Meet Ada Lovelace. Today we call her the mother of programming. In 1980, the US Department of Defense named a high-level programming language, Ada, in her honor. Born in 1815, Ada had a turbulent childhood. Her parents separated just weeks after her birth. Her mother, Lady Anne Milbank, was determined to steer Ada far away from her father's emotional poetry, and instead trained her rigorously in mathematics and logic. But Ada didn't just inherit her mother's analytical mind, she also carried her father's imagination. At the age of 18, Ada met the mathematician and inventor Charles Babbage, the man behind the concept of the Analytical Engine, a machine that had all the key elements of a modern computer. Ada was captivated. While others saw it as a fancy calculator, Ada saw something much more profound. She created something no one had ever done before, an algorithm written for a machine that didn't even exist yet. This makes Ada Lovelace the world's first computer programmer. But her genius went even further. The analytical engine might act upon other things besides number. Supposing, for instance, that the fundamental relations of pitched sounds in the science of harmony and of musical composition were susceptible of such expression, the engine might compose elaborate and scientific pieces of music. Also, Ada foresaw the concept of digital multimedia, software loops, subroutines, even the idea of program memory and binary systems. Fast forward to the 1940s. Alan Turing read Ada's writings. Her ideas shaped his thinking as he designed the first true modern computers. But Ada wasn't the only woman to shape computing history. Let's fast forward again to Eniac, the world's first general-purpose electronic computer. Who programmed it? 6 brilliant women. They manually wired and configured Eniac for each task, inventing programming techniques as they went. They're recognized as the first professional programmers in history. Then came Grace Hopper, a Navy Rear Admiral, compiler pioneer. She popularized the term debugging when she found an actual moth stuck in a computer relay. But her real impact? She created COBOL, a language made programming accessible, practical, and powerful. And then there's Margaret Hamilton, the woman whose software helped land Apollo 11 on the moon. When the spacecraft's computer overloaded just minutes before landing, her program prioritized critical functions, saved the mission, and earned her the Presidential Medal of Freedom. She also coined the term software engineering, arguing that writing code should be treated with the same rigor as building bridges or spacecraft. They weren't just women in tech. They were the reason tech exists. And it's time we remember their names, not just in code, but in history. Thanks for watching.